पीबडी के केस में जब मैं पहली बार लेके गया मार्केट में तो बोला गया यार ये तो कभी होगा ही नहीं कि इंडियन वुमेन कभी भी खड़े होकर सुसु करेंगे ही नहीं, मतलब क्योंकि हुआ नहीं है. इट टेक्स a lot of practice, I would say, to let outcomes not impact you.
Never danced on any chapter before this. So this is my unmute moment.
बहुत बहुत फटीचर वाली हालत होती है.
You have co-founded two companies, Peabody and Suruna, which has simplified life for women. You being a man, how did the idea strike and what was the inspiration behind it?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me on the show, guys. I think I don't deserve even half the kind of praises that she's bestowed on me. We're just a team trying to solve problems for women. How did we? And so it's not a man versus a woman sort of an issue. You'd see in your daily life, you face some of these issues. I also faced it with my wife and my daughters, and I thought if I can do something about it, it'll be nice because I would love to solve these issues. So that's what we did. Right from dirty toilets to menstrual pain to daily hygiene challenges.
Did you face any criticism?
All the time. You face criticism all the time. I think that's part and parcel of जब भी कुछ नया करने की कोशिश करोगे तो सबसे पहले तो लोग आसपास ओपिनियन तो इतनी मिलती है इस देश में, so criticism भी उतना ही मिलता है. But I think what we look at is the positive side of how some of our customers' problems have been solved. जैसे पीबडी के केस में जब मैं पहली बार लेके गया मार्केट में तो बोला गया यार ये तो कभी होगा ही नहीं कि इंडियन वुमेन कभी भी खड़े होकर सुसु करेंगे ही नहीं, मतलब क्योंकि हुआ नहीं है. So we were of the opinion यार कि let them decide, let them take decision whether they want it or not. And we've sold over 2 million units of Peabody today. So criticism comes in its own shapes and sizes, but it's usually coming from those जिनको मेरे धंधे से कुछ लेना देना है ही नहीं. और आप भी ये नोटिस करोगे, people who criticize you are most of the time they're not the guys who have anything to do with your business decision or with your career as well. So yeah, so criticism keeps coming away, but I think we look at more of the positive side. कि हमारे customers को कितना फायदा होता है हमारे products से.
And there are times when someone copies your product and there is a replica of the same things. And how do you deal with that? I mean, it must be heartbreaking for you. How do you deal with that thing?
ऐसा नहीं कहूँगा कि बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. तब फर्क पड़ता है जब जैसे सिर्फ थोड़ा सस्ता करके कोई लॉन्च कर दे, because then we are really not trying to create a market. You're just trying to say कि जो थोड़ी बहुत सेल है वो from our brand the other brand can take. But to be very very honest, we are happy when other people come and do it, because in a way it's a validation of what we are trying to do. कि आप कॉपी उसी चीज को करोगे ना जिसमें आपको लग रहा होगा यार ये कर दो बस जिंदगी सेट है उसके बाद, तो कुछ ना कुछ लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. I think in what we are doing, and as a team we tell everybody that it's not about who's able to copy. This is a persistence game. Whoever is able to understand what the consumer needs and is able to help them for the longest time is the one who's going to survive. So we obsess more over customers than people who copy. That's the philosophy at the company.
So everyone has this very glamorous image about a CEO and founder. I want you to tell the real picture. What is the real picture?
बहुत बहुत फटीचर वाली हालत होती है. All the decisions are अच्छा है तो भी आपको तो टीम को obviously the whole team is rewarded, but if there is anything wrong and कोई गलत decision जो होते ही रहते हैं. See, at the end of the day, life is only about making choices, right? And जब आप choices, if you pick something A और B में से कुछ सही होंगे कुछ गलत होंगे और आप कितनी भी कोशिश कर लीजिए, you will not get it right all the time. There'll be many things which you'll get wrong. So it takes a lot of practice, I would say, to let outcomes not impact you. So as a CEO or as a founder, as a co-founder, while you have to be ready to take ownership of everything, I think you should not marry yourself to the outcomes. Outcomes जब दिमाग लगा लेते हैं तो दुख ज़्यादा होता है. And one thing comes with it, yeah, that's your pact with the devil. Otherwise, नौकरी कर अब आजकल तो in fact now in a job also there is so much of accountability that comes with it. Similar is with the business. Nobody is asking every day, पर एक दिन जब पूछते हैं तो पूरे साल का हिसाब एक साथ पूछ लेते हैं. So it is quite a lonely journey, but it's very very rewarding also because जब आपको पता लगता है कि आपके थ्रू कई लोगों की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हुई, जैसे हमारे केस में डर्टी टॉयलेट्स की बात में पीबडी है, menstrual hygiene में menstrual pain के लिए हमारा Sirona का pain patch है. So when we see that some of our products have made life simpler, that is much more rewarding. And as a founder, you need to look at the positive side always to keep going.
So there is another issue that youth always believe that funding is very, very important for a startup. So what is your say about funding and how important is funding?
देखिए हर बिजनेस अलग होता है तो किसका कोई there is not a one answer that will give you an answer. मतलब कोई एक चाबी नहीं है जिसका जो हर ताले को खोल देगी. Funding helps, but I would say funding is not the only thing. At least that's not how we build. The thing that you should build on your business is on customer dollar. कस्टमर के पैसे से बना हुआ बिजनेस को किसी भी चीज का डर नहीं होता है. And that's how at least we are trying to build our business, on those principles. फंडिंग और वही एडवाइस मैं सबको भी देता हूँ कि शुरू में अगर आप किसी के पास भी फंडिंग के लिए भी जाएंगे, वो भी ये पूछेगा आपसे कि यार व्हाट आर यू विलिंग टू डू, आप खुद क्या कर सकते हो इस बिजनेस के लिए, व्हाट इज योर स्किन इन द गेम, व्हिच इज द स्टैंडर्ड क्लासिक क्वेश्चन दैट पीपल आस्क. सो यू नीड टू हैव आंसर्स फॉर दोस. इट ऑलवेज शोज यू इन वेरी गुड लाइफ. अगर शुरू की फंडिंग आपने खुद अरेंज करी है, whether it is friends, family or fools, and उसके बाद you go and raise funding, people will be more than happy to help. But it's not कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि बस फंडिंग हो गया तो सारी चीजों का समाधान हो जाएगा. Funding is one of the things. There is team, there is product, there is your own commitment.
Another question, that most of the students have this dilemma that they should go for MBA or rather invest the same money in their startup.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest?
Again, हर एक के circumstances अलग हैं. कई लोगों के केस में family situation ऐसी होती है कि यार they have to start running the show immediately. तो उस केस में obviously if you can get a job, please go ahead and do it. But अगर startup कर रहे हैं, तो अगर startup करना चाहते हैं, तो जितना जल्दी करें उतना अच्छा है. And I'll tell you why. See, I believe कोई भी business को set होने के लिए, जो मेरा खुद का experience रहा है, 1000 days के आसपास लग जाते हैं. So अब वो 1000 days आप MBA के बाद शुरू करोगे तब भी जीरो से शुरू करोगे, ग्रेजुएशन के बाद करोगे तब भी जीरो से शुरू करोगे. और ऐसा कुछ भी डिग्री नहीं है वर्ल्ड में जिसमें आप वो करोगे और वो बोलेगा कि इसके बाद कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी नहीं, आपने सारे चीजों का तोड़ इस कोर्स में आपको मिल गया. तो अगर स्टार्टअप करना है तो जितना जल्दी शुरू करो उतना अच्छा. इट्स मच बेटर टू से कि मैंने 2-3 साल की अगर लेट्स से किसी भी रीजन से नहीं चला, यू कैन ऑलवेज गो टू एन MBA एंड यू कैन कम बैक टू द जॉब. कम से कम जब आप MBA करोगे, इंडिया में भेड़चाल इतनी है कि यार सिर्फ ग्रेजुएशन के इमीडिएटली बाद MBA कर लो, आप इतने सारे एस्पेक्ट्स सीखते हो बिजनेस के बारे में जो आपने रियल लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करे होते. तो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग बुक में और जब आप एक्चुअल में करते हो बहुत फर्क है. यू नो दैट कॉटलर्स 4 P's ऑफ मार्केटिंग जब आप बुक में पढ़ते हो, जब आप एक्चुअल में कर रहे हो तो बहुत फर्क है. तो कुछ एक्सपीरियंस लेके करेंगे तो इट्स ऑलवेज गुड फॉर यू. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि अगर बिजनेस करना ही है, ग्रेजुएशन अगर आप कर चुके हो, तो मच बेटर टू डू इट एंड गेट अवे विद दोस 1000 days pick up.
So there is another trend coming up in the country where everyone is really curious about doing post graduation from abroad, from other countries like Canada, Australia, whatever possible options. And you yourself did your post graduation from Australia. So what do you suggest, like what is better and how was your experience studying abroad, and what do you suggest to the students?
For me the experience was very good, to be very honest, because उससे पहले मैं कभी हॉस्टल में रहा नहीं था. ग्रेजुएशन भी यहीं से हुआ. So I think वो बोलते हैं ना जिससे रोटी कपड़ा मकान की कीमत पता लग जाती है. So hostel life is important. अगर आपको किसी अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी में यहाँ हो जाए तो definitely you should go for it. मेरे केस में ANU से थोड़ा बहुत scholarship मिल गया था. That also helped a lot. And that's why I decided to go to Australian National University in Canberra. It's a beautiful campus. And it's a great university, great professors. In fact, I think the university holds a record for giving the maximum Nobel laureates from there. It's one of the best universities that way. The experience was very good, but I think personal किसी भी कोर्स में अगर आप कभी भी करेंगे तो आप 3 चीजें ही लेके जाते हो. This again that I keep telling all my friends and colleagues. देखिए आप, it's not the degree which will take you anywhere, but it's the network which is your alumni network. So आप देखेंगे जैसे IIMs है, IITs है, यहाँ पे all the people who passed out 20-30 years ago, they're all leading excellent organizations. तो उनका एक्सेस बहुत अच्छे से मिल जाता है. तो जब भी आप MBA की सोच रहे हैं, just keep in mind these 3 things is what you're getting: the network, the professors, and your peers, जो भी आपके बैचमेट्स हैं. So that those decisions always help. तो उन्हीं तीनों ने मेरी भी मदद करी. अभी भी कई जगह अगर हमें कहीं मैं अटकता हूँ तो there are times when I go back to my professors and ask them. कुछ colleagues भी अच्छे हैं जो आप हर जगह चले गए वो लोग, So ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बहुत nationalities के लोग थे, जो whichever countries they have gone after, अगर मुझे वहाँ Peabody के बारे में कुछ पता करना होता है या Sirona के किसी range का पता करना होता है, so I can just pick up the call. So experience for me was very fulfilling.
Okay, so one question that I wish this never happens, but if tomorrow you don't have anything, you know, the brand goes off and you have to start from zero, will you be okay with it? And how would you deal with it?
नहीं, देखिए वो hypothetical situation में तो किसी भी चीज से आप बाहर आ सकते हो. जब होगा तब देखेंगे, but ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. There are many times when we've hit zero, we've hit bottom, whether it is about people copying or team member leaving or competition trying to poach your people, all those things keep happening. किसी भी sale आपकी गिर गई, you know, because of no fault of yours. So all those things keep happening. वापस हो गया यार तो तब की तब देखूंगा. But I've built a couple of businesses in the past to know कि it's a journey. आज अप है कल डाउन है और यही सच है हर स्टार्टअप का भी. कोई भी 2 दिन एक समान नहीं होंगे. अगर आज बुरा है तो कल ठीक हो जाएगा. And I think that is something that you get with age, to know that no spell is permanent. No good spell is permanent and no bad spell is permanent. So होगा तो bad spell, फिर उसका good spell वापस आ जाएगा.
नहीं होगा. Don't worry. नहीं होगा.
Thank you so much.
So now we'll play a small game. And you need to talk about whatever comes to your mind the moment you hear that word. So
Okay.
the first word is failure.
First word जो आएगा दिमाग में, failure was one startup that I did it before this. Was to me, I would say that's the failure that I look at. It was into home healthcare, though we exited it, but personally I see that as a failure. I could have maybe tried something better, but it still will be something which I'll always relate to as a failure in my life. Otherwise, I have always learned from things. That's one thing which I would say is सीखा भी नहीं मैंने. In the sense, it is a failure for me.
Support system.
Family.
Perfect. Vision.
To solve all those issues for Indian women which nobody else is solving in intimate and menstrual hygiene space.
Wonderful. Happiness.
Family again.
Family is happiness for you. Perfect. And what is education for you?
Education is something that lets you understand how to respond to a situation and not react to a situation. That to me is good education. जहाँ पे वो आपको कल की दिक्कतों के लिए तैयार कर सके. I think that's real value. I don't know trigonometry और कौन सा मेरी लाइफ में फिजिक्स ने कितनी मदद करी है क्योंकि हम कॉमर्स में चले गए. बट उस एजुकेशन ने बहुत मदद करी जहाँ पे टीचर्स पहले बोलती रहती थी कि यू नो सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, संयम रखो एंड बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सोचो, बुरा मत करो. आज उस पे जब विपरीत चलते हैं और कुछ उल्टा होता है तो समझ आता है कि यार वो एजुकेशन वाज रियली वर्थ इट. बड़ों का आदर करो, है ना. दोस आर द थिंग्स. टाइम की रिस्पेक्ट करो, चीजों को लाइटली मत लो. That education to me is something which is the real education, which tells you how to respond and not react.
If you could travel back in time, what would you tell your 16-year-old self?
Have faith. Rome wasn't built in a day. Things take time.
Now, this is my favorite part of the entire show. And we have, decided that after every conversation, we'll do a happy, happy dance. And what this happy, happy dance is, this dance comes in your mind whenever you are stuck with something bad or you are super happy and you want to dance. So, Deep Bajaj, I want you to give that dance move to everyone here so that they can, do this dance move and get out of the, trouble, dilemma, whatever they have in their life, or they can have their joyous moment.
I don't dance, but I can tell you what you can do. अगर कुछ adverse होता है तो उस केस में चाहे कुछ भी situation हो, आँख बंद करो और 5 बार लंबा सांस अंदर, 5 times. That's the trick. So close your eyes and 5 times, deep, like really deep. So उससे it helps in all the adverse situations. और अगर कुछ बहुत अच्छा होता है तो मैं तो भाग के I just run to my wife and my kids. अब वो कैसे करके दिखाऊं? उसमें कोई स्टेप है तो आप कुछ भी स्टेप ले लो यार.
So I'll just play one music for you, Deep. Maybe you can adjust your camera in the meantime. And team, can we have the song, please?
That's all, guys. I can't dance. That's about it. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So we've got to move.
I have never danced on any chapter before this. So this is my unmute moment. जो आपने करवा दी. जी.
Thank you so much, Deep, for unmuting with us today. I'm sure you have encouraged a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs and youth with dilemmas in life. We are so pleasured to have you here. Thank you.